2 minutes. Give Junaid Mohammed the mic.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I stand to support the approval and this motion, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank also the Departmental Committee for Foreign Affairs and International Relations for the good work and the research they have done, Mr. Speaker, and presented to this House. And I can see that the officer that has been nominated for this job is a distinguished officer, Mr. Speaker, who has served in the service very well, who has an exemplary career, Mr. Speaker, in the service. And Mr. Speaker, I think is one appointment that is going to move this country forward, Mr. Speaker, and this should be an example of all appointments that will be brought to this House, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this is an important institution in our country, Mr. Speaker. This is an institution that is going to protect and provide the safety of the citizens of this country, Mr. Speaker, and for that reason, is an institution that must be headed and guided by somebody who has the capacity, the knowledge, and the temerity to do the kind of work that is related to that institution, Mr. Speaker, and no one fits, and the skills required to do this work, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to put forward that on record that this is the person who will make sure that this country is safe and secure, and I have no doubt, in accordance with the report that has been brought by the committee, that he is a man who has the capacity and the capability, and I urge the House to approve him, Mr. Speaker, so that he can go and do his work. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader, you have 3 minutes.